Hello, I'm Lynn from Bossard and this is Joe. Joe is a production manager. Together, we are taking a walk along the production and assembly lines of his company. Joe is very interested in the outcome of our expert walk today. Why, you might ask? Because Joe is wondering how the assembly processes in his company can be optimized. He is looking for ways to significantly reduce the assembly time and increase capacity. At the same time, he wants to simplify the assembly process to minimize the risk of failures. That's why we offer Joe our expert walk service. After the kickoff meeting, we will decide on a detailed plan for our line walk, where we will identify bottlenecks, potential risks, and unnecessary activities in the various fastening operations. At the same time, we will keep a close eye on identifying hidden problems. What does that mean for today's walk? For each assembly operation, we will check if Joe and his team are using the optimal fasteners and technology. We will investigate all actions needed for the assembly of a part and keep an eye on tolerances within the materials used. In addition, we will take a close look at the settings of the assembly tools, another key component of our expert walk service. So, what can Joe expect from us? After the expert walk, we will take some time to prepare a full report for Joe. He will receive suggestions for possible improvements and insights into how much time and cost he could potentially save. He will also get ideas on how to further improve the assembly process by reducing the risks of potential problems. All this concludes with a proposal for the next steps that we can take together. Are you, just like Joe, interested in a quick health check of your assembly line? Or do you simply want to verify the suitability of some ideas coming from your shop floor? We will support you in this never-ending search for an optimized assembly process. Potential assembly time improvements and TCO savings between 40 and 50% are no exceptions. At Bossard, we call this proven productivity. Get in touch to find out how we can help you with our assembly technology expert services. Contact our experts at bossard.com.